Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we look at 5 amazing shipping container tiny house designs, all under 320 square feet. So if you love tiny living or tiny houses, then stay tuned as we explore these 5 amazing designs together. Good, welcome back. The first design is a shipping container cabin. This is an amazing modern shipping container house designed using a single 20-foot shipping container that has been created with a modern finish to give you 160 plus square feet of habitable space. If you look at the design critically, what we've done is basically to transform a single 20-foot shipping container and give it a modern look. Yeah, we have a full height sliding glass door on the frontal facade with a nice timber cladding projection which acts as an entrance porch, at the same time providing outdoor seating to complement the interior living of this amazing container cabin. What we've also done is to provide it with ample daylighting to basically kill the claustrophobic feel of living in a shipping container box. We've finished the interior of this shipping container house with their light colored finishes to basically improve the ambience and make it appear bigger. So the salient features we managed to accommodate in this amazing shipping container house is basically provide a bed space which can be fitted with a sofa bed to complement it into a transformative furniture arrangement. We have a nice kitchenette with the overhead cabinets for ample storage. We also have a small wardrobe space in between the two and a full bathroom on one extreme end of the shipping container. The second tiny house design is what I would call a tiny house with an attic bed space. This is also designed using a single 20-foot shipping container, and what we've done was basically to introduce a roof to protect the shipping container from direct weather elements. The roof also allows us to create a nice attic space to enhance the indoor living environment of the nice container house by providing additional built-in bed space that has accessible to the attic space above the shipping container roof. Other than that, we've also managed to provide an outdoor shower in the original shipping container doors that have been used in an open position. On the frontal facade, we've put a full height sliding glass door for access and also for daylighting on the interior of this amazing shipping container house. What we've also included is some nice and generous outdoor living space that can accommodate nice outdoor sitting and lounging, and also even outdoor dining. The house also has sufficient amenities and facilities to enhance nice living both on the outdoors and the indoors. The third house we are looking at is a nice tiny shipping container house designed using two 20-foot shipping containers to create 320 plus square feet of habitable space. Yeah, so what we've managed to do in this particular arrangement is provide a nice compact one bedroom shipping container house that can be used as a granny flat or as a starter home depending on what you want to do with it. So we've arranged two shipping containers in parallel next to each other, and we've managed to provide a nice canopy on the front and at the back or at the rear to provide balcony seating at the back and a nice entrance porch with frontal outdoor seating. Remember to do proper insulation of your shipping container depending on the environment where you want to build. So if you live in the cold climates, you need to provide a nice insulation that takes care of moisture content in the air to prevent condensation. And if you live in the tropics, you need to observe and keep heat away from your shipping container house. So the salient features we have with this amazing tiny shipping container granny flat is a 1-bedroom house. We have a full bathroom. We have an entrance lobby that leads you to the living room, which contains a small lounge space fitted with a nice sofa bed that can be transformed into a bed at night, just in case you are hosting an extra guest, or you want to create extra bed space at night. We also have an open plan sitting arrangement with a kitchenette and a small dining. We also have a nice small washing machine that can fit under the kitchen counter. The fourth design is what we would call an off-grid container cabin with a retractable deck. This is an amazing and an interesting shipping container cabin that can pass for any ordinary shipping container if it's used in a closed position. What we've done was basically to introduce a 5-meter wide opening on the frontal facade of the shipping container and transform that opening into a retractable deck. So the steel from the wall of the shipping container was transformed into a deck that is connected onto the shipping container using 2 hydraulic winches that can be pulled up and down to open and also to close for people who want to just set up this particular cabin in an off-grid environment to enhance some camping life. Yeah, so if you want to do it off-grid, then it means you have to provide additional provision for solar energy to just enhance its usability and also to help you power the cabin. Yeah, so there's also provision of adequate amenities to just enhance the usability. We have a full bathroom. We also have a nice kitchenette. We have some additional storage, and of course we have a bed space. Last but not least, we have what I would call a tiny shipping container house, the Loft. This is an amazing shipping container house designed using a single 40-foot shipping container to create a nice with an additional bed space in form of a loft. So on the ground floor, we have a nice lounge space fitted with a sofa bed that can be transformed into a bed at night to create additional bed space. We have a dining table. We have a small kitchenette with a sink and overhead storage. We also have a full bathroom and the main bedroom on that particular level. On the frontal facade, we have an additional canopy done using timber to provide an entrance porch on one end, and on the other end is a private balcony that is accessed from the main bedroom. On the upper level, we have what I would call a small bed space, especially for the children, which has been created in form of a loft. Nice permanent ladder can be used to access the loft space, and is an ideal space for additional bed space for the children, or you can create a children's playroom or even a small study room, or a small family hideout. There's also a private access to a nice balcony on that particular level to basically complement the rather limited space inside that particular house. So the nice lean-to roof gives a bit of character to this amazing shipping container house, and we've managed to enhance its looks using that nice lean-to roof. So having looked at all these 5 designs, you find that they're all under 320 plus square feet of habitable space. 2, they are all done using either a single or 2 20-foot or 40-foot shipping containers, and to basically maintain the footprint on the lower side of tiny house designs. So if you belong to the tiny house movement and you feel like you want to downsize or you want to embrace sustainable living as far as tiny living is concerned, then this will be a nice choice for you to pick from. If this is the first time you are watching a video from our channel, you are encouraged to subscribe to our weekly videos where we post amazing designs using shipping containers and shipping container homes. You are encouraged to click on the bell so that you don't miss a thing whenever we post our new videos. If you have any questions or you need any further clarifications, don't hesitate to give us a shout by posting in the comments below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and feel free to share it. Thank you for your company and see you in the next video.